Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing well. Today we're gonna shoot a very easy recipe that you can have for breakfast or as a snack option. These are the ingredients that you need. First you need 1 cup of low-fat yogurt, some granola, some blueberries, 1 banana, some crushed walnuts, cinnamon powder, 1 sachet of Forever Fiber, and Forever Bee Honey to garnish as a sweet taste. Let's start. First you need like around 2 tablespoons of low-fat yogurt, we will add actually 3. Then we're going to add the Forever Fiber sachet and mix them together. Once you're done with the mixing, now we can add the granola. Around 1 handful of granola would be enough. Once you're done with the granola, we can add the blueberries. Now you can add the bananas. Once you're done with the bananas and the blueberries, now we can add the crushed walnuts on top. Then add a dash of cinnamon powder. And lastly, we're going to add the Forever Bee Honey on top for a nice garnish and a sweet taste. And this is the final result. Enjoy!